What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily upload files from your phone to Google Drive on your phone. As you can see, I'm using an Android phone right here. So in order to find those files, you want to go ahead and open up, for example, your gallery. And from here you want to press and hold the videos that you want to, let's say, upload. Then once you do that, you can see at the bottom here that it gives you some option. Click and share. Now, once you do that, you can see that the two videos are now highlighted. So just simple tap on the Google Drive shown from the option below. And you want to go ahead and choose the folders or wherever you want to. Let's say I'm fine with the current folder, but if you want, you can click on where it says location and you can go ahead and just basically find the folders. I'm going to open up this folder here, open up this folder here, then click on select. Now that it's selected, you can see the number of files by the name as well. You can see the account. If I wanted to change it, I can go ahead and click on that and switch between different accounts. But once I'm satisfied, or once you're satisfied, go ahead and tap on upload on the upper right, and that you can see right here that it uploads a file. If I close out of this and scroll down, you can see that the files are currently being uploaded to the Google Drive folder that I selected. And now that it's done, that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.